Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file of these two rings and evidently a cherry panel and a maple panel, and they're trying to do this. I just did it. So this is the cherry. So this is interlocking rings of wood. I would maybe pick another color or get a different sample of maple. Anyway, he's got these two rings, but he can't get them to get it done. So I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and I'm going to delete these two lines. That makes this sweep here, but then I'm going to delete these two lines. And then that makes the inner part of the ring. Now from here on out, I'm not going to ever move anything. I'm going to nudge it. So I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to fill that in with blue. I'm going to nudge it over a couple of times, fill that in, nudge it over a couple of times. Now that made an item, an object like that. Now do not move them, move the color patches. You want to make sure that your interlocking rings are on top for this to work. So if they're not, just reverse the order. Now we're going to select everything. We're going to go to intersect. And look what it did. Let's go over one more time. Select all the cherry, intersect, and move it over. Now I put a yellow or a blue box on it so it kind of show up a little bit more. But you get the idea. So that's interlocking color rings. Interlocking wood rings, I guess. I don't know what the purpose is, but I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.